and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Mumwikins, and I will be turning myself into Arcadia today. Well, I already did the rest of the cosplay, and I don't think this is going to be a cosplay video because one, it's not a full-on cosplay. It's like a half cosplay. Oh my gosh, I just realized like I'm really matching with my bonnet, with the hat, with the shirt. This was not planned, but we're matching even when we're sleeping. Anyway, it's like 1:48 p.m. I literally got out of bed like 30 minutes ago. 30 minutes ago. And yeah, I'm just gonna start. So, first we're gonna start with this. I had this sample. I had this Charlotte Tilbury. This is white. I had this Charlotte Tilbury magic cream sample for I don't think it's expired, but I had it for a while, so I'm like, let me use it today. It might flop, it might make my skin oily, but at the end of the day, this is actually the perfect amount for a sample. It's not too little, it's not. It smells like old lady. Like, you guys know that fragrance? That fragrance that all the old people just for some reason have? This is the fragrance. This right here. Okay, the product is good. The smell is absolutely atrocious. Like, no. But it moisturizes so well. Like, what? I was not expecting this. Damn, I'm conflicted. I don't know what to rate this. It's so good. It feels really smooth. But the freaking smell of old lady, I can't get over it. Like, so now I'm gonna start with my primer. I have a few primers. Let me actually get Arcadia on the screen so I know like what I'm doing. Well, I know how she looks and whatever, but oh, perfect. Perfect. A lot. Oh, so this is the Hydra Grip primer. I thought it like fell. I'm almost done with it. Like, I don't really use it only like for times like this where I'm doing like a cosplay, but I am gonna color correct everything. This is... I think this is Urban FX. I'm like 90% sure this is Urban FX. They don't make this anymore. Which is like, why? This is such a good, like, product. I guess it's because the price. The price was a little bit like... I think this was like 20 bucks. Let me show you how much is in it for 20 bucks. You're getting scammed. I see why. But like, come on. Basically everywhere that's dark, because I'm gonna put concealer on top. But let me just color correct just to get rid of the darkness, so I don't have to put as much concealer. That's basically what I'm doing here. I don't know if I'm gonna go live in this cosplay. Like most of the other cosplays I've done, I went live in. I don't think I'm going live in this one. I think I'm gonna just post it, like repost it. Because that would mean I would have to play Brawl on stream, and these days I have not been having fun playing Brawl. I'm gonna be honest, and I'm gonna talk about it because it's my YouTube channel and I can say what I want. So I have not been having fun with Brawl. Right now it's like a giveaway meta, and I like my codes that I have aren't built like that, and I'm not keeping up. Like I just physically cannot keep up. And that's just real. That's the truth. And it's like, when I was streaming Brawl in like 2020 to even early 2022, I'm gonna say early 2022, like nobody came in my stream asking me for stuff, you know. I mean, people did, but it was like a rarity, you know. Like there's always that one guy who thinks like your stream is like the Brawl stream, and that you would give them stuff if they just asked. I'm gonna use my Dior because that's what I used on my ears. So I kind of want my ears and my face to match. Even though I'm not a fan of this foundation because it's a little bit dark, but I'm gonna use my Dior. I'm using my Dior backstage. It's a little bit like... It's a little dark, but it's fine. Like, I can use it. Especially now, like... Because you could see it's like dark on my hand, but it's fine. Like it's doable, and even on my face it looks fine because of the lighting. But it's a little dark. We're using the Dior backstage. But anyways, I was saying with Brawl, like it's a giveaway meta, and I'm not trying to stream in that meta because I can't keep up with that meta. I'm not gonna, you know. I mean, I could really if I wanted to buy a bunch of codes and feed into the problem. But that's the thing, like, I see the problem. I recognize the problem. I don't know if anyone else does. Maybe, you know, people just don't care, or people, I don't know. But it's like, I was having fun streaming Brawlhalla. I was having fun, like, consistently growing in Brawlhalla and, you know, making content. I had so many plans, and I can't even say half of the stuff I was going to do, but I had plans to, like, stay for a long time because I really loved the game and the community is great. And even at BCX, meeting you guys was just so wholesome. And I say this all the time, but I really, like, it really meant a lot to me that people actually remembered I existed, you know? But yeah, I was just like, I had plans, but now I have to do something else because it's like, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, even like, if you look at my channel, like if you go back and you look at my channel, you look at like how it's growing and all of that and all of the trends, just look it up. You guys know my Twitch, and if you don't, I'll put it on the screen right here. So this is Usage Bumblekin, and you can look. Last year was like my worst year on Twitch, period. And this is coming from someone that streamed like way back in 2017, and it was like so bad. But I've been in the community for so long. I mean, this is blended enough, like no one's even gonna see at the bottom of my neck anyway. So I'm gonna do a slight nose contour because her nose is like pointy-ish. I don't want to do a button nose, but I think I might have to do a button nose for this look. I freaking hate the button nose, let me tell you. Because like, I'm gonna explain why. So you know the button nose was going viral on TikTok for a bit, if you guys keep up with that and all of that jazz, but it was going viral for a little bit, and I mean, it looks cute on certain people's noses, but I never really liked it on my nose, because I feel like my nose is kind of wide, so when I do it, like, when I try to do it, it looks like an oval, but I'll try and see if I can make it look like a circle. So I'm just doing a simple nose contour, and I'll blend it out. Okay, let me blend it out. Let me finish, and then let me blend it out. This is our base. I think I'll do the brows because one, like her brows are going straight. Mine's are like out. This one can stay. I gotta change the shape of this one. I don't know if I can do that without my pot concealer though. Now for brows today, we're using this Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil that was so freaking overpriced. But I was like in Sephora, and the lady was like, yeah, this is so good. Look, you could draw a line. And I'm like, I actually bought a pencil for like $20. What's wrong with me? Don't be like me. You're gonna blend it out. I don't like the brows, but that's just how she does her brows. So let's move on. We're done with brows for now. If I feel like it, I might come back. The eyeliner. I didn't set my face. Let me set my face. Yeah, I'm gonna put... I can't tell if she has on eyeshadow. It looks like she does, but it's like dark. When I say dark, I mean like very neutral. And like brown. And the eyeliner. That eyeliner is like some real e-girl eyeliner. We gon' show out. I hope. She has like some real like... I think I want to use blue and like browns. It's hard to tell with the color because of like... I'm thinking like a grayish, like a ashy... Not ashy, but like a... Let me see. I think I have a color for this. Ash. This is the color. This is the exact color. Like, I'm like, I know I have a color for this. So I'm gonna put that here. And what do I put here? Nothing? Okay, let me actually put some eyeshadow base so you guys could actually see my eyeshadow. Some brown. Like I think I'm gonna just do this brown here. Matter of fact, let me show you guys. Since this is like close to my skin tone, I'm gonna take this color. The name of the shade, I'm not gonna say because the palette is a little bit risque. But I'm gonna take this color down here. Put that on the outside, like right here. Is that a cut crease? There's no freaking way. It's really like a half cut crease. Worst comes to worst, I'll cut it with a concealer. But let me use that brown in this palette in the shade Group Fun. That's what I'm gonna call it. If you guys have this palette and you know what it's called, we're gonna use the shade Group Fun. Honestly, I like the way Group Fun looks on me. Like this on the eyeshadow. This is honestly one of the best nude palettes I ever bought, and I know this person's like controversial as hell, but this palette is actually really good. Like there's a lot of lights up here, and there's like it's not showing up on camera well, but you can kind of see like the shades of brown. There's like a lot to choose from. But now that Group Fun is on my face, I'm gonna get my concealer and a flat brush, which I should have a bunch. Here's one. And we gonna cut this crease. Basically put some concealer on my hand. I got a flat brush. It has to be a flat brush like this. If you don't have a brush like this, it's gonna look stupid. So I'm gonna take my time. I'm gonna keep my eye open so I could see where I'm going. And it's half cut. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna get my packing brush and throw on this like ashy blue called Sacred in my Hip Pot palette. I'm gonna just throw that on my lid. As you can see, like mine's is on, but I want to take a shade that's like darker because you see Group Fun is still here, but like it's not really blending with this color. So I have this one, but I want to see, I'm going to actually go back in with this palette and see if there's a shade that's like in between that like grayish color and the brown, and I'm thinking this one might be, but like I want something darker. So I think I might use shade I'm Close. So you see the gradient that I did on this eye. This eye, I need to put a little bit more brown, but you see this? I'm coming in so you guys could see. This is what we want. This right here is what we want. So we're gonna see if we can fix it over here, because I don't feel like I put enough brown. I don't think I put enough Group Fun on my eye. Let's see if it looks acceptable enough. I'm just calling it, because I still have to do eyeliner, and she got on some liner, bro. I think I could put some more Group Fun back. Like, eyeshadow's done. It's very, you know, it's subtle, but you come up close and you see the detail, and I love it. So now we're gonna do the eyeliner. And I kind of want to use a pen. Let me see, because she lines the bottom too. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use the pen for the bottom. I'm gonna use my Il Makiage for like just to line around. It's lined. Okay, she doesn't have any crazy cat eye going on, so that's good. But I do need to put on lashes. Wait, does she have lashes? I could do a half. I could do a half lash. How the... Okay, so it's like out. I can bring this one down some more. But the makeup's almost done. It's gotta put on the brown lips. And then we Arcadia! This right here took about 45 minutes because of the amount of times I did it, didn't like it, and did it over. That's the best it's gonna get. I'm not doing this a third time. I can't do this anymore. I can't do it. Since I don't have brown eyeliner, I mean brown lip liner. I'm using my eyeshadow. Not my eyeshadow, my eyebrow pencil as lip liner. And I'm using my lipstick, the shade Dominatrix. Brown lip is usually never my jam, but for these cosplay looks, so I'm just gonna get some concealer. And everywhere there's dark marks, just gonna conceal. Make my crown around. This is the final look. I am Arcadia. Have my little poops. And yeah. This is it. Thank you guys so much for coming to today's video. It was fun. Might be my last Brawlhalla cosplay for a while, but we're Arcadia. Okay, goodbye.